I am so excited. Ooh. Hello! I'm back with another packing video. My name is Lena. Welcome to my YouTube channel with travel content. This time I'm packing for a weekend trip to Riga in Europe. I'm only packing with carry-on luggage because now that I have started traveling with carry-on only, it's so much more convenient than checking in your luggage and stuff. And also there will be an unboxing of my new bag. This is a sling bag from Nayo Smart. So thank you to Nayo Smart for sponsoring this bag. I chose this bag from their website. I think this will be perfect for traveling carry-on only. Yes. So let's unpack this and see what it looks like. This one arrived yesterday, which was Christmas Eve. Kind of fun that it came on the Christmas Eve. I'm so excited to open up this. Okay, cute. Comes in like this cute bag. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, nice. At first glance, I really like it. The material seems very good. I don't know if you can tell. It said on the website that it is water resistant, which is great when traveling because you never know if it's gonna rain. Oh, my sister is calling. Just a second. Hello? I read that it was like a smart clip thing. Wait, how do you do this? Okay, pull it out and lift it up. Ooh, that's so nice, and you can easily do it with one hand as well. That's a really cool mechanism actually. You can basically just let it go like this. And then here we have two pockets. There is one like main compartment on the side here. There's like a little pocket, and then it has like smaller 3 mesh pockets and also mesh pockets on the other side. Here you can adjust the length of the straps. So let's see. Now, ooh, I actually really enjoyed wearing this bag like this. One shoulder, or you could make it longer over the shoulder. And I really like the design. It's very timeless. So it's a technique and not strength. So let's see what I can fit in this bag. This is my passport. This could go in the inside mesh pocket in here. Easy access. AirPods, that could be good for outside here. Lip balm, gum, hand cream in this pocket. And then I could have a power bank, charger, extra batteries for the camera. This all fits perfectly in this front pocket. So you have 2 like categories here. Wallet, sunglasses, phone. Too small for the phone outside, so the phone has to be inside the bag. Now you can see I've got the passport, phone, sunglass, wallet, and there's still some space left, but it is quite tight now, so I think I will just leave it as it is, and then I can readjust these things outside depending on what I use most frequently. Let's do some pros and cons. So my immediate thoughts, I really like the water resistant quality, at least when you have your passport and things that can be ruined with water. I also like the color, the black basic color, so it fits to everything. That's also very nice when traveling because you want something that fits with every outfit you have. Look at the design. I really like the simple modern design. It's very like timeless. And the material also feels really good, like good quality. I like these 2 pockets outside for easy access. And also I think it's a cool locking mechanism here. It's easy to close it. And then I like that it's a zipper here so that it's secure while traveling. Another pro, it's hard material here, as you can tell. It doesn't get squashed, but the disadvantage with that is more rigid, so it's the same size if it's empty or full. Not really a con, but it's more like what kind of bag are you looking for? If you're looking for a more slim bag, this one might be too big for you. Another like thing to think about is maybe that it does weigh a little bit more. It's on the bigger size of like a sling bag, like a purse bag. For comparison, so you can see that it's quite bigger. The advantage with a bigger bag, you can fit more stuff, but on the downside, it's heavier then and it takes more space. But at the same time, I think it's not too big. It's like a medium size maybe. And also what I like about this one is that it has these thick straps, because when you travel and you walk a lot sightseeing in the city and stuff, those small straps, it really like ruins my back, piercing into my skin, while these thicker ones are much better for your shoulders. So that's also a good one with this one. I think this one will be very ideal for traveling. This is called the Herman Sling bag. The reason why I went for this bag is because I didn't have a bag in this size, and I thought it would be perfect because when traveling with carry-on luggage only, I could have this one in the cabinet, and then I could even have like a backpack for the personal belonging, and then I could have this one as extra room to pack your things in. I really like this bag. If you're looking for a new travel bag, they also have other types of bags with this kind of design and quality. So if you want to check out Nayo Smart, I will leave a link below. You can also get 10% with my code LENA10, or you can just click the link below and you will get 10% off. Now let's move on to the carry-on luggage that I'm bringing. I'm only gonna bring one pair of pants because they take a lot of space. A couple of sweaters. This one, that's from Korea. By the way, in Riga, it'll be cold, 3 to like -2 degrees. So I'm packing like warm clothes, which takes more space, but it's necessary. There I have one outfit, wearing the same pants, but changing the top to this one. Soft and warm material. Lastly, just a brown thin sweater so that I can also wear with the pants. I'll be there for like 3 days. Then I have 3 outfits and the outfit that I'm also wearing while leaving. I will be leaving in this brown wool coat that I got from South Korea. These shoes, my standard traveling pants, black t-shirt, this warm but thin sweater. Since it's New Year's Eve, I have to bring like a New Year's Eve outfit. These black pants with this very New Year's Eve top. Good for Halloween. Also bringing wool pants that I can have under the pants if it's too cold, because it doesn't take a lot of space. I'm gonna bring this necklace, my glasses, underwear, socks, pajamas, makeup stuff, toiletries. Here I've got like small sizes of body cream, toner, serum, moisturizer, mouthwash, perfume, and 2 face masks. I'm bringing a bikini because there is a pool at the hotel. I'm also bringing this wool hoodie. It doesn't take a lot of space, but it's super warm and it's brown, so it fits to all of my outfits. I'm also bringing these leather, what is it called? Hanska. What are these called? Mittens. Mittens. Mittens sounds so... That's everything that I've packed this time. This is kind of my second time packing only carry-on. I feel like I'm getting better at packing each time. If you want to try packing only carry-on but you've never done it, I definitely would recommend to just go for it and try, because it takes away a lot of like the stress and time that it takes to check in your luggage, check out, wait for the luggage. But this is the first time that I'm traveling with a wheeled carry-on like this, because I usually have a backpack. When I backpacked in South Korea and Japan just now for 3 weeks, it does feel a little bit heavy on the back to always be bringing your backpack. So I'm very excited to be traveling with a wheeled carry-on luggage this time and save my back for a little bit, because my poor back is going through it. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments below, what are your packing tips? I can't believe that it's 2026 already. Hope that this will be your year to shine. See you in the next video, and thank you again to Nayo Smart. I think this will be my new favorite travel bag. Let's take a picture. How was your Halloween? Halloween? Why am I saying Halloween?